Hi everyone, so today we're going to see how to put a spot on your cat correctly. First of all, wear nitrile gloves. Today I am using this Celafort. There are many other spot ons available, but I like to use this one. You need an e-collar and you need to put it on your cat. So where do you need to put the spot on? The spot on needs to be put at the base of the shoulders, in between the two shoulder blades. And if the medicine is excess, you can even put another spot over here. First part the fur, like the skin should be exposed, not be like really exact or something. Do not do much of this poking and prodding. Just gonna quickly remove this with a nice shake. Shaking is important because the medicine would have settled at the very bottom, and by shaking you will know whether the medicine is contaminated or not. So if like the pack is bloated, that means it's contaminated. We'll just put it right at the base, nice and gently press it so that all the medicine is deposited onto the skin. Double check, triple check if necessary, because paying so much for the spot on, so it doesn't make sense to keep medicine inside it. And if you don't put the whole medicine, the fleas and ticks won't even get eradicated. So what's the point, right? A little bit of the fur has got wet. That's completely alright. But make sure you don't wet too much of the fur, because the spot on needs to go on the skin, not onto the fur. Now we've already put the e-collar on. I like to leave it for 6 to 8 hours. People use different techniques. The vet might tell you something different, but this is what I use because I like the medicine to completely dry up before removing the collar and risking them licking it, because the medicine is really bitter. If they do lick it and they start drooling, and it's not even supposed to be licked, it can be dangerous. So we're done with Timmy. Timmy has been a really good boy. Another use of the gloves is that sometimes if the cat wriggles, the medicine can get onto your fingers and go inside your eyes. So we prevent all that with nitrile gloves. And this is disposable as well. Works out to like 2 rupees per piece.